So as you can see, I got a little ahead of myself. I figured I'd start recording, but I have a lot of rust buildup right over here, over 20 years of just fuel spilling in this one area. And I'm gonna go ahead and get all the rust out and just kind of do a quick repair because I want this to last and I don't want it to rust out. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this door. I'm gonna take this 10mm. Just 2 bolts, top and bottom. There we go. Nice and easy, real easy to remove these doors. Remove the ratchet and just use your socket to get everything out. First bolt out, pretty straightforward. Here comes the second bolt. Grab the socket, just easier to grip. Okay, pretty simple. That's how you remove the door. I want to give you guys just a better look at this rust here. It's penetrated pretty deep, but it's nothing crazy, especially for where I am, where I live. So this is the quick mechanic trick here. Well, you know, I know I'm not a body guy, okay? I barely know how to do body work. I just know how to kind of get rid of stuff. So gonna get a wire wheel with a power drill, go to town. Want to get as much of that rust as possible. That's not rust, that's just a bunch of gunk. I will clean this all out, but all right, and then get your best friend. Get yourself some brake cleaner, starter fluid or something, just some sort of solvent and a rag. Just get it all nice and clean. Nice and clean is what you want. And thankfully, if you could see it there, thankfully, I got a lot of pitting, but it did not rust through here, so I'm not gonna have to worry about rust underneath the fender. I do wanna try to keep this car for as long as I can. So this is a really important rust point, especially because the fuel line, excuse me, the fuel filler neck is so close. So pretty happy about that. Gonna go ahead and get some sandpaper for some fine finishing work here. This is, what is this? 80 grit. This is 80 grit right here. Really just want to get as much of that rust out as possible. If you paint rust, the rust just gets worse. Okay. As you can see, all the rust is out there. Actually, I have a little spot right there. I'm going to grab my sandpaper again. Got a lot of respect for people who do body work, man. It's hard. I think it's harder than mechanic work, to be completely honest. Okay. Hit it with that solvent one more time. Get everything nice and clean. Now, listen, if you have the correct paint, go ahead and paint match and do that stuff. However, for my car, the paint is $65 a can, and I am not willing to pay that. So I've got the next best thing. Got some old truck bed liner. Really all you need is just some cardboard. Doesn't have to be that serious. And there we go, it's all covered up. We got some little spots right here that I could honestly just go ahead and cover like that. A little bit of overspray, but nothing I can't get rid of. And there you have it. I'm just gonna let that dry, and I'll see you. Let that dry, and that's it. The rust is gonna stop, and I could drip as much gas as I really want over there, and the truck bed liner will protect it. So there you have it. Real quick, easy, cheap rust repair. Is it professional? No. Is it good enough for like 99% of people? Absolutely. When you drive a 20-year-old car, you know, whatever works. So thanks. Please like, follow, and subscribe.